In the realm of logistics, ShipSage is redefining the warehouse landscape with robotics that work tirelessly to streamline operations. Imagine robots that don't just perform tasks but become integral members of your team. ShipSage's robots are revolutionizing warehouses by taking over picking, packing, and transporting goods, ensuring precision handling for everything from fragile items to bulky equipment. Navigating warehouses with the agility of a seasoned pro, these robots are equipped with cutting-edge sensors and software, avoiding obstacles and boosting productivity with their 24/7 work ethic. No coffee breaks needed. But it's not just about efficiency, it's about building a sustainable future. ShipSage robots optimize operations, reducing energy usage and waste. Join the revolution with ShipSage, where innovation meets flawless execution. For a warehouse that's always ahead of the curve, get your free quote today.